Alright, so everybody out there is showing you how to make a dust mask out of your underwear. We all don't have a many pair of underwear laying around to cut up, but most of us do have an old t-shirt we don't wear anymore. Okay? So you see the seam that runs there just along the sleeve. So what we're going to do is just cut on that seam. Actually cut the sleeve off. Okay? Very simple. Sleeves off now. If you find the center, put the seam on the back, dead center, go to the front, cut up to where the back end's there, like so. Okay. You're going to put it with the long part in the front. Go ahead and put it over your head, like so. Long part up front, and then take the slit where you cut the slit. Well, in my case, my head's too big, it doesn't tie around back. You can breathe under, you tuck them up. If you got a normal size head, unlike me, you can usually pull these around the back, tie them. There you go. 2 minutes, shirt sleeve, dust mask. Better than nothing. Be safe, guys.